സൂപ്പറാണ്.
ഞാൻ പാടുമേ മോദമോടെ
നല്ല അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു. സൂപ്പർ ഡാൻസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തു. 2 ദിവസം പോയി ഒട്ടും അറിഞ്ഞില്ല. ഫുൾ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു.
It was very nice. It was very enjoyable, and you can bring your kids here too. It's a very fun experience. Everyone, teachers, the volunteers, pastor is very good. They will teach you everything you need, the basics about the Bible. It's very enjoyable. You have games, you have talents, you have a bunch of prizes at the end. So encourage your kids to come.